of course, like still ask for your Birkin or Kelly. Of course, I'm still asking for that. But this can be a bag that you can enjoy as well. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my favorites and fails. I actually got this tag pretty much from the beauty community. It's been around for a very, very long time, but I thought, you know what, I wanted to do a current favorites video. I wanted to talk to you about the items I've been loving and using, but then I also wanted to have the flip side of it with the items I haven't exactly been using or loving, that kind of thing, just so this video can be extra informative. Firstly, before I dive into today's video, if you aren't already subscribed to my channel and you do love luxury and fashion, then I would love if you would hit that subscribe button below and also the bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, which is twice a week on a Wednesday and on a weekend. And as usual, I have my son with me filming this video. He is in his bouncer. I am a little bit like croaky sort of in the voice. I'm recovering from, look, I had a viral infection for 6 weeks now. I had to go and get obviously COVID tested, which wasn't fun, but needed to get that done as a precaution. So that was over 5 weeks ago. And yeah, I'm still recovering from it. Like I feel fine. The whole time I actually felt fine, but I ended up kind of like with bronchitis. So yeah, I do sound a little bit so just, you know, don't mind that. All right, so let's start off with all the favorites that I have been loving and using. The first item I am actually wearing, it is this necklace set from Ana Luisa. This is the Cardi set. They gifted this to me about a year ago, I'd say it was. It's definitely before my son was born. May have even been when I was like in the early stages of pregnancy. And I have been wearing this necklace set ever since. Like, you probably have seen it on my Instagram and you've probably seen it in my videos as well. I'm often wearing this set. They did actually kindly reach out to me and give me a few more pieces that I wanted to show you guys today, because they are in fact doing a Black Friday sale. The first item I'm actually wearing, it is the Cuado. I'm probably butchering it. These hoop earrings I am wearing right now, they are the kind of hoop earrings that I do like, because they got this really nice sort of like oval shape to them, so they're not really big and circular. Even though I do like circular hoop earrings, I find that sometimes they look a bit over the top on me, whereas like this kind of teardroppy sort of hoop earring shape definitely suits my face a lot more. I feel like it kind of slims my face a bit, you know, which I can't complain about. So the other items that they gave me are some more earrings as well. You always get one of these Ana Luisa pouches. So the other one is this little cute huggy set. Oh, the camera's gonna wash it out, so I'm just gonna include like a picture on the screen, but they have little star and moon on it, so they are very cute little huggies. So these will look more nice for day-to-day sort of wear. The next one is in this dust bag here. It looks like it was a collaboration with Fell and Roe. It is a bracelet and it feels pretty hard wearing in my opinion as well, which is very important for my lifestyle. It's got this little small tiny heart, not hearts, flowers on them. All their jewelry is 14 karat gold plated, and it's also nickel free, hypoallergenic, which is extremely important to me because I am actually allergic to nickel. That's why I pretty much hardly own any costume jewelry from any of the luxury fashion houses, because they cause me to get itchy, whereas this necklace set from Ana Luisa have had no problems. I wear it in heat, like even when it's warm and like I get sweaty, and I've had no reaction. And then the last piece that they gifted me was these love earrings. Again, this was a collaboration with someone called Nikki Sky, so it does come in a different dust bag. So the price point on Ana Luisa jewelry is very, very, very reasonable. It starts from 39 USD and then goes up depending on what the pieces are, like if they are in that very high-end fine jewelry. So they do sell jewelry that also has diamonds. They are also very, very environmentally friendly. They do offset all their carbon emissions 100%. They also recycle like their materials, and they source recycled materials. But I'll have all the details in the description bar down below. So let's move on to the next item that I am loving and have been using, and I think this is going to be absolutely no surprise. It's my Believe 27. Of course, I have been using this bag so much. I am so thrilled with it. I'm so happy that I actually got this as my birthday bag. And even though this was not, like, it was a bag I asked for from my sales associate, but I asked my sales associate obviously for a Birkin or a Kelly for my birthday, for my 32nd birthday back in August. And the other option was a Bleed or a mini Lindy or a Pickerton. And when I went there, she offered me the Bleed 27 in Cray, and as soon as I saw it, I was like, wow, this is amazing. Got it out of the box, tried it on, and it was so lightweight, and it has been love ever since. Like, it has just been a fantastic bag. I cannot sing my praises enough about this bag. It is so awesome. If you're looking to get an Hermes bag, say you don't want to pay the price of a Birkin or a Kelly in the resale market, or say you're having troubles trying to get a Birkin or a Kelly or a Constance at the store, I would just say consider the Bleed as well. Like, you know, of course, like, still ask for your Birkin or Kelly. Of course, I'm still asking for that. But this can be a bag that you can enjoy as well and use it very, very regularly, and you'll probably find you may even use it more than your Birkin or a Kelly, because that is how it has been for me. I have been using this much more than even my Kelly 25, and I love that bag as well because it is in Swift and it's so light. But this is just even better when it comes to that practicality. And yeah, like I said, just cannot sing my praises enough about it. The Bleed 27, awesome bag. The price on this, it's in Epsom leather, comes with a shoulder strap, of course. It's just that it's in my closet right now. This is 8,755 Australian dollars. So I think that the price is still fairly reasonable. It's less than a Chanel small classic flap. It fits more, and in my opinion, the craftsmanship supersedes Chanel, but I think that that's pretty much an obvious thing. We know that Hermes is the best when it comes to craftsmanship. Another Hermes piece, and I have been really enjoying this. It is my Bastia. So a small leather good, very reasonable price point for a favorite. The retail price on this, I think it was 355 Australian dollars, if I'm not mistaken. It's in Epsom leather. The color is in Blue Broom. Camera's probably washing it out a bit because of that light color that it is. It's a pale baby blue. I would say that this is a very true baby blue. Like, very true. You couldn't get any more baby blue than this, in my opinion. And the reason I've actually been loving this is not to use it as a coin purse, as it's actually sold as, but I actually use it to hold my keys. I have my house keys in here, and I have my alarm key as well. So I just pop them in like so, and they sit so flat inside the Bastia, and then close it up, and that's it. So even though I use the 7 Rue Paradis inserts in my bag, which are good for organizational pockets, I still find that when it comes to keys, there is just far too much risk just relying on using the pockets to hold your keys. I would much rather have my keys inside a pouch to protect the inside of my bag 100%. That way I'm not having to worry about keys scratching the inside of my bag, or God forbid they, you know, put an impression mark, indentation or something by poking through the bag. Obviously, you know, with 7 Rue Paradis, I have coupon codes for them, so that'll be in the description bar. And the other item that I have been wearing and using a lot, like a lot, is my Chanel Deauville cardigan from, I think this was from spring summer 2019. So I've owned this for over a year now, well over a year, and I've been using it a lot lately because of my son. I am still nursing, so, you know, breastfeeding obviously. That means that I always have to wear something that kind of can button up, zip up, anything like that. I just need that kind of access if I go out somewhere. So this cardigan has been amazing. It's button up. I haven't been able to wear like really like my jumpers and that sort of thing because I don't have easy access. So yeah, I've been getting a lot of use out of this cardigan lately, even though I was already getting use out of it before, just more so nowadays. And if you follow me on Instagram, you probably see that I have been repeating this fairly regularly. It is now getting warmer though, so I probably won't be wearing this as much anymore. I have to switch up to more button-up, lightweight blouses and that kind of thing. But yeah, loving this Chanel Deauville cardigan, which I picked up pre-love on Vestiaire Collective. So yeah, if you're looking for any Chanel ready-to-wear pieces, if you're okay with buying pre-loved, most of the time the pieces I buy are in excellent condition anyway. Just jump on Vestiaire Collective and yeah, you'll be able to save thousands of dollars. Like, that's pretty much been my experience when it comes to buying Chanel ready to wear, because they just don't hold their value. The last piece I have that has been an absolute favorite of mine is my Senreve Aria belt bag. And again, if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen this bag on repeat, and I'm always saying that this is my day-to-day bag. This is what I use pretty much almost every day because I don't always need to leave the house, to be honest, but when I do, generally I'm leaving the house to go and post parcels from my eBay store, you know, go and get dinner if I'm not cooking that night, just running errands. This is the bag that I quite typically grab. If it's not this, it might be the other color of my Aria belt bag that I have, so which is in chestnut. This is in leather dragon, which is an embossed croc, and the color is storm, so essentially it's a dark gray. And yeah, it's just been an amazing bag. I use it crossbody, grab and go, very, very carefree. It's spacious, so it fits my phone, it fits my card holder, it fits my key pouch, fits the bastia. So it fits everything I need just to go and run errands. Price point is extremely reasonable as well, as it is with any of the Senreve bags. This one is a little bit more expensive because it is in the dragon leather. Price point is extremely reasonable on all their Aria belt bags. I do have a coupon code, of course, with Senreve as well, so you can get a further $50 off. As long as the item is at least 300 USD, you'll get 50 USD off. With my code, which is Purseonfleek 50, you just enter that at checkout. Senreve often does do like tax included, not all countries, but they sometimes have offers where they'll do tax included for every single country worldwide. I find that for Australia, there's no issue with that. Tax and duties is included, obviously with the US as well, also with the UK, and for most of Europe, to my understanding. But yeah, that is the final piece that I have that has been a favorite for me, that I've been using a lot, but I do have a couple fails. These fails, I'm going to show them together because they kind of go hand in hand. And you know, and when I say the word fail, it's not like they are literally fails, it's just that they're not something that I'm really loving and using right now. And it is these two items. First one is the Maxi Twilly from Hermes. I picked this up recently, and I picked the Pickerton up recently as well. I've got these pretty much just after my birthday sort of thing, and I bought this with the intention to use on this as an actual handbag strap. So you can use this to make a handbag strap. There is ways of doing so, but you can also still use it as a belt. So it's not exactly a total fail because I know that there's a lot of versatility in this piece, not only just to use it as a neck scarf too. But it's just that I haven't been using it, and I haven't been using this bag because it's a top handle bag, and the same goes even for my Birkin 30. It hasn't been getting a lot of use. But when I'm in a situation where I can use a top handle bag and I can use my Birkin, then I would rather use my Birkin. That's just truth be told. So I haven't actually used the Pickerton. Like, I've used it once since I got it a couple months ago. So yeah, one use in a couple months is kind of, yeah, to me, I feel like that's not exactly a great thing, but it's not a total fail because I feel like I can't exactly be fair to it because of my circumstances, especially with a newborn or very young baby. I can't really be using bags that I'm not able to be hands-free with, so it's more just a lifestyle situation right now. The color is beautiful, and that's why I'm keeping it, because I absolutely love this color, blue pale. The only way that I could potentially let this go is if perhaps I were to get a bag in blue broom instead, but I'm not going to hold my breath on that one. It is a pretty hard color to get. But yeah, even though you can put the strap on this bag, which would eliminate the problem that I'm complaining about, however, the downfall is that the bag ends up being still quite open. When you attach the strap, even if you tie this on or clip a strap on, it ends up sitting kind of like that, and that makes me a bit paranoid. And especially because I don't have an insert for it yet. I'm waiting for 7 Rue Paradis to do an insert for this bag. It means that my contents are kind of swimming about, and I feel like, I don't know, I just feel like it's just too much easy access for someone with a bag sitting like that and the contents not tucked into their pockets. Whereas like if they were tucked into their pockets in the insert, it would be harder for someone to kind of pull something out. But yeah, it may just be something that I need to kind of get over it and just deal with it and just not be so overly paranoid, because I know that there are other people that have reached out to me and they use their Pickerton 18 and their Pickerton 22 with a strap and they love it and enjoy it. I think that I'm just being a little bit paranoid, and maybe I'll get over that and I'll be able to start using and enjoying this bag just by attaching a strap. I do hope so, but only time will tell. But right now, I'm just saying that these are kind of a fail for me in my collection. But yeah, that is it. That's it for my favorites and my fails. If you did like this kind of video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.